Let's take a look at LEV, the Line Electric Company. Okay, so I know a couple of you guys in my Discord, you guys are currently holding this stock. If you believe in it long term, great, nothing wrong with that. You don't probably want to be looking at the P&L on this thing every day because it's got a lot of work to do before it gets out of these muddy waters. So it's going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like about two trading weeks of just downward action here. Every red candle seems to be getting bigger and bigger and bigger. As of right now, it doesn't look too good. With just being because it's under all of the moving averages here, under the 50, it's under the 5, the 10, the 20, you name it. It's under the lower Bollinger Band. So what we're looking for here on LEV is we're looking for this stock to base out. When I say base out, we're looking for it to find a bottom here. Just going back on the chart, going all the way back here to this huge run up to $35 here when it got pumped up here to $35.25 back in January. It's kind of, found lows in March and then has kind of just been trading in a range. So it's been trading in a range for about 3.5, 4 months here. Top of the range being around 23, bottom of the range being around 12. So there's just a $12 range that it's been trading in. And as we speak today, on July 14th, it's almost down here to the bottom of this range. The only thing that does look good on the chart is that hopefully, okay, depending on the overall markets, hopefully it finds its support in this $13 to $12 area. Reason I'm saying that is that going back here to March, we came down here to this $14 area, touched it, and then had a nice little spike up. Okay. Right here in April again, we touched this $14, $13 area and we had this nice little spike up. Okay. Going here again, 5/13, we touched this $14, $13 area and then we had this nice little spike up. So as it sits right now, we're coming down and approaching. Current stock is at $15.22. Currently right now, we're getting close to that $14, $13 area. If we can get down to that $14, $13 area here, this could be, and I say emphasize on could be an area of opportunity to average down and or start a position. Just being that, because you know that if it loses this area, $13, $14 here is a quick, easy exit out of that position, because you already know it's tested it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times a lady. If it breaks down past that, the next area of support here is going to be $12.49. Long-term wise, you're going to want this to at least get over $20. Okay, at least $18.59. $18.59 will put you over the 50-day moving average. $18.59 will give you room to $19.50. And $19.50 will give you room to $20. And obviously $20 gives you back room up here to $23. If this stock can get over $20.89, I think that it can retest $23.47. How long that's going to take, I don't know. It might be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the road. However, if you do have a large position in this and you don't mind holding it, and let's say you sell out now in July, and let's say come December, it's back up to all-time highs at $35, you're really going to be kicking yourself in the butt. So if you're, depending on how big you're already down, and if you're not day trading this stock, because this stock is really not day tradable, and you plan on holding it for a while, maybe look down here in this $13, $14 area for an average down. Okay. You got support here at $12.49, but like just going back to the chart, we bounced here in March, we bounced here in April, we bounced here in May, could be bouncing here again in July. So something just to keep an eye on LEV. Yeah, and I'll kind of put this on my watch list too, just to kind of monitor it and see if it does get down to this area and what it actually does at that area. But until then, I will see you guys all in the next video.